Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're playing What the Bat. What is going on? Why is my sound not working? What did I do? Is it settings? No. Oh well. It's not gonna be any sound, but okay. That's how we start. So I'm just gonna be doing each world as one video, and that should be all good. Whoopsies. How am I missing these? See, this is just the beginning, so I'll probably do the whole, because this is not even a world that I'm in. It's just the beginning. Where's the sound at? Really? Okay, that. Oh, okay. What do we got now? Okay. Ooh, what? Man, gotta restart that. Perfect. So if you don't know, this button is the restart button. If I ever mess up, what is wrong with that? Oh, throwing birds. Okay, so I guess we just do that. What the bat? Perfect. Yeah, send it flying out there. Yeah, okay, got that. Star. Is that like. What do I look like? Oh, no. Get back here. Okay. Stay in there. Okay, what do we got? Oh, sorry, let me just adjust the player height. I like it more like this. Sorry. Um, so, welcome back. Oh man, this level. So, I've already finished the whole game, but I'm playing it again for you guys. In case you've never seen anybody play this, which I could understand nobody seeing anybody play this. So, yeah. Oh, this level. See, we have to hit the toast that has the trophies on it because the whole goal is getting the trophy. Got that one. Perfect. Yeah. No. Okay. Got it. So, oh, we finished that level. That's good. So, just got a few more levels. Sandbox. Oh. I'm guessing we fill this up. We did it. Now we can just dump that over and nothing happens. Okay, so I have an idea. If we do. Oh, okay. Hey. What happens here? Oh, okay. What do we got? What do we got? Oh, trophy. Dog. This. So, this. I'm probably gonna do multiple episodes on this level because this level is like a pretty short level, but some of them get longer and take more time. I mean, the last level, I have like a 20-minute video that I'm not gonna end up posting. So yeah, come on. Here, all you have to do is wait on this level. Okay, did we finish that already? See, we already finished the world. It's just a photo op. See, this is what we are. Boom. Smashed a complete chapter. And now we got another chapter. Teenier. See, this one splits off. You have to finish all the levels before we can get that one. I'm thinking about doing 3 worlds here. Am I supposed to be? Oh, duh. Sorry, there's no sound, guys. I don't know why my recording isn't that going so well. I think just brush my teeth. Let's do it like this. Perfect. Got it. What? What the? So I know what to do here. If you're ever confused on this part, all you have to do is brush his teeth. Done. I told you I could do it. At least I never actually told you guys anything. Okay, gotta do this one now. Serial killer. Uh-oh. Oh, cereal. Breakfast. Serial killer. Get in there. Sorry, I'm... Gotta get cereal in there. Okay. I'm wondering if I do like that. Perfect. We got like a few in. Oh man. Got it. Let's flip over this bowl. That's better. Perfect. I think we did it. Let's go. So, oh, we already finished that part. So, after this, we'll do one more. Work hard, play hard. Let's do work hard, play hard. What do we gotta do? Gotta get these socks in. Okay, okay. How many socks do I have? Oh, okay, what next? Perfect. Ooh, gaming system. So, what do we do here? I'm pressing it. I'm guessing if we press this button, something happens. Oh, we messed up. It's like What the Golf, if you guys have ever played that. It's a Switch game. Oh, okay. I thought the ball was the ball, but guess not. Perfect. Come on, man. Wait, hold on. There's a tree there, right? I just gotta get the trophy. Let's do being whatever I call it. What do I do? Oh. You guys see that? It's up there. Got it. Let's go. Okay, some rings of fire. Yeah. Come on. Perfect. Let's go. What's that? What is that? Do I have to catch them? Oh, just gotta get 10. Looks like. Oh, come on. So, got it. Okay. Pardon my fence. Fence? What's a fence? Whoopsie, sorry about that. Okay. Hold up. What's a fence again? Sure. That's how it goes, I guess. Oh, I got it. I get it. Looks like we're on the photo op already. So let's do one more world after this, because the first few worlds are kind of short. Die. So after we finish this next world, I think it's Batville. Yeah. So after we finish Batville, we're gonna leave off the video and start a new video up to do the next part. Do we have to tame the dog? We have to tame the dog. Okay. These things fly. Got it. Finished. Oh. Okay. You pulled out the whole bush's stem. So I'm just gonna throw that in there. He'll pull out a chair. Perfect. No, wait. No, go get that one. Okay, that one's in the bush. A bat? I already have a bat. My hands are the bats. Okay, we gotta really hit this one at it. No? Come on, get in there. Perfect. Yay, we did it. Okay, guys. Okay, what do we do now? Oh, right, it's that one. But if you hit him too much, he runs away. Okay. Next level. Cat Cafe. Oh my gosh, I don't... If you guys know me, I guess I haven't told you this, but I do not like cats. Cats are so annoying. What do I do? Oh. Perfect. Okay, what now? We gotta get a coffee cup. Let me add the sugar. Perfect. Take it. I don't want it. I don't want cats and my thing. Oh, okay, there's a few. Perfect. Get out. Now. Okay, what now? What now? Out. Leave. Out of my cafe. Let's just let him come further. Get out. 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 Leave. I don't need cats in my cafe. In my cafe. Okay, guys. Sorry, I'm probably being a little quiet. I'll go back through and watch the video. Scanning. Scanned. I think it's on the bottom. Got it. Basketball. Ooh, okay, where is this one? Can we open the book up? Wait, where is it? It's inside the book. Okay, buddy. Gotta get inside of there. Gotta get inside of there. We gotta get inside. Got it. What's next? Trophy? Take it. That'll be 28.46. What do I got now? Oh, okay. Got some paint. Oh, you gotta make it a Z. You want a zebra, huh? Well, here's your zebra. Let's get him a zebra. Let's get this guy a zebra. We got this guy a zebra. Why did he want a zebra? Okay, flip out. Pinball? This is fun. Boom. Perfect. We got it. We did it, guys. Wait, what? You don't even have to use the ball. You can just stick your hand in there. So, like, instead of having to do all the work of actually doing the, okay, I'm inside the thing. So what you're supposed to do with the penguin thing is you have to shoot all of them. And now I'm the guy shooting them. And so, like, they have to get a certain far. That was fun. That was fun. Okay, that was fun. Still, I'm really sorry that I can't actually get the sound on. Because the sound is acting weird on this game whenever I'm filming, so sorry about that. Maybe some other time it'll work, but not today. Okay. Oh, it's over there. Oh, okay, those pins. Got it. Clap, clap, clap. Wait, hold up. I bet I could do that. Didn't have to go all the way around. You can just get one out and shoot it. Okay, okay. No, no, no. What's behind me? It would get in. Oh man, come on. There's not even a thing there. How did it restart? Oh well. Okay, guys. I think this is the last one. I just gotta keep getting these. Boom. We did it. Dog. What's next? Hoop dynamics. How am I supposed to do this? This is gonna be so annoying. Oh, we got one. Not way too far. Okay, okay. Come on. That one missed. My aim is pretty bad here. What is that? What is that thing in the back? What is that thing? What is that thing? Let's not worry about that. Forget about that. You did not see that thing in the back. Got it? Oh, got it. One more. Got it. Perfect. It's like attached to my head. What's next? Oh, Patsy. Okay then. I think we gotta do some graffiti here. Graffiti. Let's go. We did it. What's that? Oh, photo op. So, what's this do? Okay. Well, guys, I think that's where I'm gonna leave off this video today. We'll do the next few worlds, including fixing the home, in the next video we do. So, I'm gonna leave it off here. Make sure you like and subscribe. Yeah.